Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled between rolling green hills, there lived a curious and kind-hearted girl named Lily. One sunny afternoon, as she was exploring the attic of her grandmother's house, she stumbled upon an old dusty paintbrush hidden inside a wooden chest. Intrigued by its shimmering bristles, Lily decided to take it with her and try it out. Little did she know this was no ordinary paintbrush. As Lily began to paint a beautiful butterfly on a piece of paper, the butterfly suddenly fluttered off the page and around her room. Her eyes widened in astonishment. The paintbrush was magical. Excited by her discovery, Lily wanted to share her magic with the village. The next day, Lily noticed that the village fountain had run dry. With a determined heart, she painted a sparkling blue stream, and to everyone's amazement, water began to flow from her drawing into the fountain, filling it with fresh, clean water. The villagers cheered and thanked Lily for her incredible gift. Word of Lily's magical paintbrush spread, and soon people came to her with their troubles. When the village's crops were wilting under a relentless sun, Lily painted clouds and rain, saving the harvest. When a child's lost kitten was nowhere to be found, Lily painted a trail of paw prints that led them straight to the kitten's hiding spot. However, as more and more people sought her help, Lily began to realize that the magical paintbrush was a powerful tool that needed to be used wisely. One evening, as Lily sat by the fireplace, her grandmother gently advised her, "With great power comes great responsibility, my dear. Use your gift to help others, but always think carefully about your actions." She focused on teaching the villagers skills they could use to solve problems on their own. She showed them how to collect and store rainwater, grow drought-resistant crops, and care for their animals. Lily learned that true magic wasn't just in fixing problems instantly, but in empowering others to help themselves. And so Lily and her magical paintbrush continued to bring joy and hope to the village, not just through the extraordinary colors of her art, but through the lessons of kindness, wisdom, and responsibility.